3.
I am so sad. So very, very sad.
Why are you sad?
We've been trying for so long.
I know.
We have tried so long to have a baby, and we can't.
What are we going to do?
Oh, I wish I had a special wand, or that I could use a secret word that I could say, Mila, Lila, Lila. So hungry.
Nicole, I don't often get called Cubans. I'm here to help you. I know where you come, but I come from over there, far away, on the other side. You called and I heard. What do you want? What do you need? Tell me a story.
Our story is a sad one.
We want a baby, but we have tried for so many years and we can't conceive.
Oh, a baby. I've never tried that before, but I'm sure it will. For me, well, I am special, you see. There's only one thing you must know. When your baby arrives, you must love baby no matter what it looks like, no matter how it sounds, you must love it. You must love it, you must love it, you must love it. No matter what, no matter what, no matter what. Do you agree to love it no matter what?
Yes. Oh, yes. We promise. We even have a name. We will call our baby Chili. Oh my goodness! You are certainly not a baby.
You have a strange ears and a strange nose.
And your eyes look straight into us, which is quite scary.
What is that horn on your head?
Remember the promise. Promise you made. To love, to love, to love.
We
Remember, we remember. We promise. We promise.
Oh, by the way, here's Chili's little dog.
Oh, we will love him too. Oh, good boy, good boy.
The answer is endings are works.